Hi, it's Nasty Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today I got a little story time, as you can tell by the title of this video, and a Jeffree Star Valentine's unboxing. It's a little late, but here we go. And yes, sadly we are doing voiceover again, and this unboxing was done in the hospital. Because in case you didn't read, I had a baby. A surprise baby at that. Yes, a surprise baby. I could totally be on that show. I didn't know I was pregnant. I'm going to put all the frequently asked questions I've been getting in the description box below because it irritates me just to talk about it. I mostly want to talk about my experience in the hospital and after the hospital in this video, so just look for that in the description box. First off, 10 out of 10 would not recommend an unmedicated birth. Also, if you say you don't know that you're pregnant and you explain all of your medical history and things like that, they will still treat you like you have done drugs. So make sure you pay attention to your body, guys. The nurses and the doctors were incredibly unkind to me and were basically only really nice when other people were in the room with me. So that was disappointing. I literally had to chase down people to get anything. My husband had to bring like those pads, you know, for postpartum, because they wouldn't even refill my bathroom. Like I had to bring my own underwear because they wouldn't bring the disposable. Like it's like just even to get formula, like I said, I had to chase down fucking nurses. I have to bleep that out. So on top of the judgmental nurses and doctors, I had to talk to a social worker, and my husband wasn't even there the first day because there was drama at my house. Because of course, you know, I had to tell the family. It's like, hey, we had a surprise baby. No, my mother-in-law was, she was real special about it. She decided to accuse me of, basically told my husband that I'm a cheater and that none of our kids are his. So that was fun. So that took up like at least a whole day. It was a whole thing. I was there longer than I should have been. We were there for 2 days because, you know, they thought I was a druggie for some reason. And, you know, even if I was, the basic human decency should have been applied. These are healthcare professionals and they did not treat me like a patient. And that's pretty much all I have to say on that, because I'm about to get started on their atrocious paperwork afterwards. So I have about like 3 different pieces of paper with 3 different birth times, weights. I didn't hardly got any postpartum paperwork. I basically only knew I had to go pick up this prescription because they asked me where my pharmacy was at. Didn't even know what I was picking up. They were pain medication, which I was refusing, so thought that was silly. Really wanted stool softeners. They did not give me that. Every time I've had children, they've always prescribed me stool softeners. Sorry, TMI, but you kind of really need those. So that was fun. They also didn't give me my son's shot record, so when I had to go to the pediatrician a couple days later, I had to then release all my information, which was really annoying because they should have given it to me, because they were like, oh well, here's all the paperwork you need. Honestly, thank God for my best friend. I'm gonna leave her name out because I don't know if she wants me talking about her on YouTube, and all of my other friends in my community, because without them, like, I have no idea where I would be at. We're almost 2 weeks postpartum, and I've just been kind of just going through it because on top of this we were moving, so just kind of been just going and going and going. The alien palette I was really glad to get. I'm going to start talking about the box. I'm a little disappointed in the pop socket. I'm going to give that to my best friend. She wants it. I don't want it. Kind of a waste of space in the box, in my opinion. By the time this comes out, hopefully we'll have this edited by the time Bloodlust comes out. Hopefully I get it. And that Afterpay is available. Yeah, that whole thing with this was real dumb too. And it was available early. And yes, I use Afterpay. I don't really care if the whole, oh well, blah blah blah, you should have the money for it. Just because I have the money doesn't mean I want to drop all the money. I like to pay things slowly over time. I really like the beanie too. That had mixed reviews. I kind of wish there was more makeup products because I like to do makeup looks with my mystery boxes, as you can see in the video. There just wasn't enough makeup. I mean, it was cute. I wasn't blending well. I was really tired. I was just trying to get the video out, to be honest. I am not even gonna lie. Like here, I say I'm gonna put lashes on. I do not put lashes on. I put mascara on, and I'm real lazy about it. I put lashes on later to take pictures for Instagram. And that was basically it. I'm real lazy in this. But it was super cute. I love this gloss. I really, really loved it. And here's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to click like, subscribe, notifications. I am still hopefully going to talk about why I was gone for YouTube for so long. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.